Good evening. As you can see in my hands here, I'm holding a muskin, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to tie these. Okay. Right. First up, Semperfli Hero black wax thread. Pin that down, right down to the start of the shank hook. I've those one of those flies there that I've already tied, as you keep the waist ends. So your tail, it can be anything really. I do keep mine very short, like that. So and just bring that up, tie it all in, get off your waist piece, and a bit of silver wire. So as you can see, Semperfli 0.20. Tie the hand there at the end of your body. Touch and turns on the way down. So tie it in there. Keep it out of the way. So next up is going to be blackcock pheasant. There's 6 or so strands of that. Just pairs there. So tie the end there, like so, and just bring it down, and then tie it in. So, okay, then bring up to your eye and back down. That's your bit of thread there. Right, I always put in a bit of varnish on mine. It's just as it's just to protect the pheasant tail. Okay, and I will go the opposite direction. One strand there not behaving itself. Bring across 3 times. And then over that, then snip that off, so, and bring your wire the opposite direction. That will support it. So, right, next up is my thorax cover, which is the black pheasant tail again. So, tie that on, light turn it first, tighten it in, then as you go down, you go down towards the eye, getting tongue tied here myself, and just clip all that off there. So, right. Next up is my gills. Gold gills in. Right. This is Semperfli's fluorescent white. I'll show you here. there. Next up is the holographic red. Now I'm going to show you one thing. I'll get this right in here. Okay, I'm going to put a little wedge here, like that. So what that does is that when you turn your holographic tinsel, it doesn't leave a crease. It'll fold just on, just proper. Bring that over, like so. Snip that off. A couple of turns just to protect this. Right, I'm going to put a little bit of Thorax dubbing. It's kind of a black with a bit of a green tinsel in it. It's something I kind of mixed myself. So that's it. Pull the back, this back, right, go right back, and just separate them then. So, okay. What I want to do is fold the thorax cover over, tie it in like so. Just finish it off with finish. Slide your blades through the thread. Now, I just want to cut this off. This is way far too long. So, as you can see it, one of them alright is a wee bit on the long side. The nearest one to me is it. So there you go, this is again, as you can see the red popping through there, and you can also see the weak length in the dubbing. Put this down a bit more, there you can see it. Okay, thank you, see you again next week, bye.